courageous enough to find his passion earlier in life. Like I
Yeah.
guess this issue happens because
But I don't have a number. How I saw,
Huh.
and she gave her number.
Even if he gets his success at 60, he is successful.
That's the thing, like a lot of people think as life as a sprint race.
Exactly.
It's not. It's a marathon. A lot of people don't understand it, and that's why they compare ages with success. For a lot of people, success is like a materialistic thing. If you want, you can be successful right now. It's just a mentality.
exactly.
So yeah, man. Like life, not a race. Like if you ask me, it's just that people make it a race.
It's
मेरा
like
बेटा सक्सेसफुल है, सेटल हो गया, उसका शादी भी हो गया, 2 बच्चा हो गया,
The-
थर्ड वन ऑन द वे, ऐसा.
The
और आपका बेटा देखो फोटोग्राफी कर रहा है, कुछ हो नहीं रहा है, शादी विधि कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, पी के
बुड्ढा हो
आता
रहा है
है.
बस.
हाँ, बुड्ढा हो रहा है, लड़कियों के साथ अफेरे चालू है.
और फिर
I'm just
I
being an
guess-
auntie right now.
I guess the only thing is people like to compare themselves with everyone.
Yeah.
So they just took the success and the relation with the age
हाँ.
to just compare with everyone else. Like,
Exactly.
and this also revolves around the concept of what is success for you.
Yeah.
Like just like you said, for a
Yeah.
photographer, success is creating a legacy.
Yeah.
Not success is not always about wealth and fame, So
Exactly. Like
it is completely
every
relative
photographer
topic.
has a different perspective on it. Mine is a legacy. So yeah. Man. Like yeah.
also the main thing why people compare ages with successes, at the end of the day, we just cannot do much productive things after 60, 65.
Okay.
But then again, the whole point of pressurizing people for early success is we have limited years. There are not many people in this world, like even if you take the example of Warren Buffett, he did not do much productive things after his 60s. He just sat and let the compound interest, let the stocks make their movements.
Okay.
So, like, I would say I've not seen many people who have worked who have worked more productive in their 60s
Okay.
rather than their 20s.
Okay, but this brings another topic here. Like, do you believe in early retirement?
Yes, of course I do. I am the type of person who takes life as a race, because eventually I want an early retirement and I want to live life as I want from like whatever the age is, like from 40 to 60.
Okay.
So I'm that type of guy who wants to live the last 40 to 50 years of his life very peacefully, according to his own will, never looking at his wallet. Like
Okay.
that was how I was grown up.
Okay.
I was born
You
and
were
brought up.
shaped in that way.
I was
Like,
shaped in that way. I was molded in that
yeah,
way. So
yeah.
that is just my way of thinking.
Like
And
for
what
me,
about you, Damar?
if you ask me, I just feel like I don't have a retirement. I don't have.
So
Like like in Peaky Blinders, Tommy Shelby says like there's no rest for people. There's no rest for people like me. There's no break. That same thing applies to me.
like exactly, like currently when we are working hard, we want rest. When we are resting, we want to work hard.
Exactly. Like
That is the gist of life.
yeah, exactly. Like I take breaks at timely intervals, but yeah, like I can't just like as you said, I cannot retire completely. There was one friend of mine.
Okay.
I met him, I guess last week I met him. I don't remember the date. We met for a shoot, and in that shoot, he told me that I travel. I love traveling, and I travel, and I only stop traveling when my bank balance ends. What do you think about that?
I have seen this type of people, like many of the people who take like freelancers who take projects according to their own fundings, and when they have enough funds to go on like say tour, they stop taking some packages, or they stop working for some while. They just go to some tour and they come back and they start their work again.
don't you think that this is a mental concept? Like this is a mental concept, and it's also egoistic at the same time. Like
Okay.
yesterday, कल मैं एक reel देख रहा था Insta पे, and it said, I guess I showed it, I sent it on your group also, our group also, and it was like कि हम लोग चलते हैं, ओके, सो जो हमारा आगे वाला पैर है, हम चल रहे, तो अपना ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है ना कि अपना आगे वाला पैर अपने पीछे वाले पैर से ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है क्योंकि वो आगे है।
हाँ
ऐसा तो नहीं होता है,
हाँ
क्योंकि पता है कि पीछे वाला पैर भी आगे आएगा ही, कभी ना कभी तो उसका भी टाइम आएगा आगे आने का। तो कोई भी पैर ऐसा क्या बोलते हैं, ऐसा ईगो नहीं रख सकता कि मैं आगे है। द सेम वे इट इज़ कि लाइक तेरा प्राइम तेरे पे नहीं रहता, बट आएगा तेरे लाइफ में, तेरा प्राइम आएगा, जल्दी आएगा, बट आएगा। इट्स जस्ट सेल्फ बिलीफ एंड putting always 100% of yourself
Okay.
in life.
out there.
Yeah, out there. Yeah, exactly.
But just like you said, the friend of yours who just freelances just to earn money and travel, I consider that as a form of freedom, you know, like
Yeah,
away from rat race, just earning money to enjoy life to the fullest.
yeah, exactly. You can't just have ego because you are like in front in the race. तू मैराथन में बाकियों से आगे, इसलिए तू ईगो नहीं रख
Exactly.
सकता,
हाँ.
क्योंकि पता नहीं बाकी के कब
बाकी
gear
लोगों का
up करके
strategy क्या है? हाँ.
हाँ, exactly. So yeah, man, it's just that you should always believe in yourself कि मैं करेगा,
Okay.
I have the potential, I'll do it.
Patience.
Yeah, it's all up.
Like another
Okay.
thing which I want to share here is that, like you said,
Hmm.
I guess life is all about a few principles like believing in yourself, accepting us the way we are, and
हाँ,
most importantly, finding what your potential is.
yeah,
Potential, passion, purpose, what you want to say.
yeah.
What
Life
that exactly?
purpose.
Yeah,
what your life
exactly.
purpose. We
So-
have another podcast planned, in which we are talking about our purpose or life.
Yeah,
of
exactly.
life, and it's really gonna be interesting if you ask me. I don't know about
Okay.
you, a retired guy.
Hey.
I can just see him being that, like Buddha and Buddhi uncle who goes on a world tour. That's it.
Nice.
That's
okay.
the thing.
हाँ, but
Like
हाँ.
honestly, if you ask me, your end goal in life should scare the ass of you. तेरा गांड फट के हाथ में आ जब तू तेरे एंड गोल के बारे में सोच रहा है.
Nice. सही बात था, ये बहुत सही लगा मुझे सुनने में.
Okay.
So.
This is one thing I want to tell to everybody out there who is like following their passion and is in a, I would say कि like तुम लोग के सब लोग के friends like pass out हो गए, कि like like जब like बहुत लोगों के ऐसे friends रहेंगे जो pass out हो गए, वो लोग financially जैसे तुम लोग बोले कि freedom वो लोग को आ गया है, they have moved on in life, वैसा हो गया, and these guys are still following their passion. Like to self check, I want to just say one thing which I even told Oings, our videographer, that if you're following your passion, if you're thinking about you're following your passion, you're doing your job, anything, if you're not thinking about it when you're taking a bath, you should leave it.
Deep.
Leave it, because that's the time when your true self is there. You in your washroom, you're just alone.
Emptiness.
That thoughts matter the most. What comes to my mind, if you don't think about your passion, your work, fuck it, you do something else, you find something of your own.
Exactly.
And
That is
even I told him that, and he had goosebumps. And he had goosebumps about
Okay.
after hearing it. So yeah, man, I heard it somewhere, I don't remember right now, but yeah, and I find it really like true, because even when I'm taking a bath, a lot of creative thoughts happen to appear in my mind about my life, about how I can grow my skills, my art, how I can work on myself. A lot of productive things come to my mind. See, like 3 a.m. talks give you depression, but the talks which you have while taking a bath, they really motivate you.
Exactly.
So what I was trying to tell is that for those passion, like if you have checked this and you are truly passionate, you're in the right thing, just believe in yourself. And like I said कि like दो पैर है अपने, कोई एक आगे, उसको गुरूर नहीं होना चाहिए, उसको ऐसा ईगो नहीं होना चाहिए कि ठीक है वो आगे.
Exactly.
No, पीछे वाला पैर भी कभी आगे आएगा. The same way you will fucking come ahead. You would have a massive jump
At your
someday,
own,
and you would be successful.
at your own pace.
Yeah,
There will be dark days, of course, but just don't stop believing in yourself.
yeah. Just believe in yourself. That's it.
So I would
Life is not a race, as
So,
we all say.
should I conclude the topic?
Yeah, you.
Yes.
So the inference of the topic is that life is a race or is not a race is totally your decision. It's what we can say,
Your
what type
perspective of.
of what type of question is that called, that has different answer for different people?
Your opinion type.
Nah, I don't have a word for that.
You know, like in
Okay.
BMM,
Chuck,
they
chuck.
give us a case study and ask our opinions. on
Yeah,
it.
yeah, yeah.
That type of question.
So
Case study?
is no.
Okay.
So is life a race for you? Is completely your own opinion. Everyone has a different answer for this question.
Yeah.
We three discussed our life, and for many of us, life is a race, and for many of us, life is not a race.
Yeah.
So you better know your life, and you might figure out if you see life as a race after this video.
I would say that life, if you see life as a race, it's a more toxic life for you.
Exactly, but once the race is finished,
Yeah.
so you just have abundant time to make memories. Like, I won't say currently I'm not making any memories.
Yeah.
Each and every moment the things we do between podcasts is also a type of memory.
Yeah, exactly.
So I'm not saying that I'm not making memories right now,
Yeah.
but I'm not also making happier memories right now.
Yeah.
So I'm
Okay.
having work memories right now, and I will have happier or satisfied memories at some point of my life,
Exactly.
and I'm waiting for that point of my life.
Okay.
So yes, exactly.
Like the more you consider it as a race, the more toxic your life gets, because everyone around you is successful and you're not. It's depressing, but it's also toxic life
But
in general.
running a race does not, like, when I run a race, I know my strategies, I know my plan,
Yeah.
and this is a race where I run alone.
Yeah.
I am just not here to compare with anyone, or I would just not compare. I would just not look behind ki kaun hai aaspaas. Acha main
It's
first
a rat race. It's a mental
So no,
game.
I do not support a rat race, but yes, I take life as a race.
Yeah.
I
don't surely.
do that. I
Yeah.
don't take it as a rat race, but yes, for me and only me, it's a race.
Okay.
So, just like said, follow your passion. Of course, there will be dark days, but don't stop believing in yourself. And destiny is what something you decide.
Yeah.
Exactly. So like, share, and subscribe.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Bye bye.
And they own all the big media companies, so they control just about all of the news and information you get to hear. They got you by the balls. They spend billions of dollars every year lobbying to get what they want. Well, we know what they want. They want more for themselves and less for everybody else. But I'll tell you what they don't want. They don't want a population of citizens capable of critical thinking. They don't want well-informed, well-educated people capable of critical thinking. They're not interested in that. That doesn't help them. That's against their interest. That's right.